Hi friends. Remember the other day when I said my son volunteered to cut the tree for me? Look at it. I forgot to show you all the end result. Look at the tree. I got it cut down because my neighbor lent him one of those battery what you call those things, Josh? The tree cutter thing? Pole saw. One of those pole saw, and it works better than mine because mine is manual. But there's our battery, and I gratefully appreciate. Look at the tree. I made tell the boy, friends, to cut down some more of the tree, and him still said, oh, that's enough because the light wire is behind it. So we need to get it cut because me no want them come say mommy make light wire broke down. No sir. And him do him thing still. Me grateful. But look friends, let me carry go show you something around here. So my plant them still are going with themselves, the friends. Look, one more 3 years of friends. And me say me forgot to make it boy use the something cut it. Even though I'm gonna let him use my own cut it. You see friends, this one is not on my property, but it hang over my property. They over the other empty lot right there, but it hang over my fence. So I'm gonna cut it because me no want nothing broke down my fence. My fence costs too much money for you broke down, friends. Watch this one here. Everywhere I'm going, I have to carry the ball with him. Look at the ball, friends. Me say little boy love a soccer. Everywhere I'm go. And friends, and this one is my neighbor tree now, You see this one behind my shed? That's my neighbor tree. We cut down some from over this side. We cut down the one that went in over more over here, so because the wire is there, friends. You don't see this light wire? You see the light wire there? See the metal wire? That's no good. It loose because of the tree here. But anyways, friends, that was it. Me did want to make one know. See the boy I play ball there. Him know say me can't play ball with him yet. But friends, you see tree there? Me glad it cut down because every time I sit on my patio, and me look out here up on the tree, my body hurt because me hate to see the heap of limb and something. Because it a hang over and it a shadow my son and them something there. But when it cut, you see how bright and nice it look. And me not cut down the palm tree enough, friends, because it's a good palm tree. It helped me out in a Hurricane Irma, So look friends, look there. You see me color of them? Them have lot of bud pan them, so let off lot of other little sucker. But me I wait for spring come back for plant more peppers and so friends. Me have one pepper on the tree and see one next little one there. So me have to watch them and pick them before caterpillar get them. And caterpillar you out of order bad. See one pepper there. Friends, and see one little one there. So me I watch and see my spirit weed there. So you get big. My spirit weed that I have me tomato tree this and see me thyme there, me thing, what you call this, friends, me pineapple. So pineapple are going big with himself. Me just wait for heal up like much better when me can root up them weed out of my garden so me can know what to do. So friends, that's all me have to let you all know is the tree. I forgot to show you the finished touch, so that was the finished touch, my friends. So I'll see you all back, friends. See you later. Bye. Say bye, Joshua.
Bye.